Hello garden fans and garden fanettes. We have a tomato plant right here. Should do all right this year. I think the overnight freezing weather is over with. That's a basil. See if that grows this year. Over here we have our grape plant that gives us grapes all the time. There are the leaves, and the leaves are way up there. Probably have to get on a ladder to get the grapes this year. And everything in Tennessee is green this time of year. April, I guess this is April 22nd. We're going to look at, start over here, cherry tree. And this tree does not really get very many cherries, and I haven't seen any on it yet this year. So we'll see if it gets any cherries at all. This tree gets lots of cherries. There's a cherry and there's a cherry. Cherry in there. Cherries here. Lots of cherries. So we should do all right with this tree this year. And this next tree is a peach tree. There's a little peach and another little peach and a peach. But the peaches disappear quickly when the squirrels become aware that they are there. This is a tree that grows sideways over here, and it is a peach tree. There's a peach. There's some peaches. There's some peaches. Peaches. And this branch actually is growing sideways, and it's touching the lawn. Looks like it was pounded with winds recently. That branch is not broken, it's just on the ground. Peaches. And more peaches. So if I put a fence up around these, I would probably have lots and lots of peaches. There's a kitty cat wagging his tail. And these are grapes. I never get any grapes from this plant, although these are actually the grapes themselves, but they probably will not mature. And the grapes, those are grapes, grape leaves, and more grape leaves and more grapes. Hello, kitty cat. You want to say hello? You want to say hello? What is that? Who's that coming this way? The white flowers are going to become blackberries. Become a blackberry there. And all of those will become blackberries.